Hey guys, what's going on? Matt here, and welcome back to the Black Ops 3 Mod Tools tutorial series. So then, in this video, we're going to be adding in Black Ops 4 weapons to the map. So, full credit here though goes to Sky for actually doing the original work for this. I've quite simply just sort of repackaged that download just for the purposes of this video. So, what we're going to do is there's a link in the description, and you'll have it for this Black Ops 4 weapons pack. Once you've downloaded that, we can open up that here. We'll go over to our Black Ops 3 root directory. And we're just going to drag and drop all these folders, so from map source, all the way into our root directory. You want to leave this text file, we're going to be using that later on. So once everything's into the root, if you do have the launcher open, you're going to want to just close it down and reopen it. That's just going to process all this new content. If you do have anything that's sort of, I guess conflicting or any duplicates or anything like that, you may get some errors down here. If that is the case, it's not a problem. It's quite easy to fix, but I do have a dedicated video for that, which the link will be in the description for, just in case you do have anything like that. But this may, process completely fine with no issues. It's completely depending on what other content you've already got installed. So once everything's been put into the root, next step is to actually go and include the files into the map. So to do this, we will go over to user maps. Go over to your map name, go down to zone source, and open up your mapname.zone. Cool. So in the description, you'll find a line of code, and I'm just going to copy it from my other screen now. I'm just going to paste that into here. So just copy and paste it from the description if you want, and put it into your zone file. It can be pretty much anywhere in here. I tend to put it after the scripts, but just put it anywhere you want in there. Save that. Next, what we need to do is go and add in the sounds to our map. So we've just put in all the files that are, that are required by doing that. Next, let's go and do the sounds. So we'll go over to our map name folder, go to sound, zone config, and open up this mapname.szc file. Once we've got that, I'm going to do the exact same thing now. I'm just going to copy it from my other screen, but this will be in the description. I'm just going to be pasting it into here, like so. Just be careful of the brackets and the commas. Make sure you get them all as I got it here. But you pretty much will be putting that under the user aliases section. I've obviously just got quite a lot more content in here. That's the only real difference there. So we can save that. Next, what we need to do is going to override what weapons are in the box now. So if you've not done this before, I have a video explaining the entire process and exactly what you're doing and how to customize that. The link will be in the description for that. If you do already know how to do that, then perfect. We can go straight ahead. Go back to our map name folder. As I say though, if you haven't done this, follow that video. It's really quite simple, and it will leave you with this game data folder, weapons, ZM, and in here you've got this ZM level common weapons. So we're going to open up that, like so. We're going to open up the download and open up this text document. This is where this comes in. And all we're going to do is copy to begin with, all the content in there, close that. I'm going to go paste it into here. I'm going to highlight all these weapons. So everything under Tesla gun, in this case, is the Black Ops 3 weapons. The ray gun and the Tesla gun, so ray gun and the Wunderwaffe, that is. I'm going to leave those, but I'm going to replace all the Black Ops 3 ones with the Black Ops 4 ones. Two reasons for doing that. One, I just don't want to have a mix of weapons. But the other reason is just because there is an engine limit to how many weapons you can have in your map. So if you do have a mix of different games, just be aware that if you do load in and the game does crash or whatnot, it could be because of that. So just try and take out a few weapons and see if that fixes it. In this case, that'll be fine because we're simply just removing Black Ops 3 ones and putting in Black Ops 4, which is for the most part a very similar number of weapons. I've not counted every single row there, but it looks fairly similar. So go ahead and save that. All these weapons now are in the box. Of course, if you want to customize that, as I say, there is a dedicated video just sort of going over some of the options for that. So once we've added all the weapons to the box, now we need to go and place some wall buys into the map. So I'm going to open up the map in Radiant. I'm just going to be selecting 2 random war buys, literally just so when we jump in game, I can use them. Cool. So let's go over to this wall. Now, over in the prefab browser, if you don't have this, just right click up here and go down to prefab browser. Now, I have my prefab set up a little bit differently than you may have. So the prefabs for these wall buys are in map source, prefabs ZM. See here, we've got the ZM option. This is the ZM folder. In here, I've got Sky prefabs, and then I've got BO4 weapons. And these are all your wall buys in there that came with this pack. So for me though, I'm not going to go to that folder location. I'm going to go to where I've got them stored. BO4, and I'm just going to be putting in 2 random ones into the map just so we can sort of test them out. So the exact thing where you would do with any normal wall buy from BO3. There we go. So go ahead and save that. I can exit out of Radiant now. Next, all that is left is going to do a full compile. So I've got my map selected, compiling everything. I'm keeping lighting on low just because it's faster, so I can test this a bit quicker. I'm going to go ahead and build this though, and then once this is finished building, I'll sort of jump into Black Ops 3 and show everything working as you'd expect. Okay, so in Black Ops 3 now then, let's go and grab. Frame rate drops in my game right now. That's fine though. There we go. We'll go and use the box. The outlaw. Nice. Let's go and pack a punch. I'll pack a punch this outlaw. There we go. Nice. Cool. So that's been how to add in Black Ops 4 weapons into your map. Of course, any questions you have, please leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to help you there. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this has helped. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now.